To turn on Hey Google on Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all, you will have to click on this side button. Now you will have to keep scrolling for settings and then go for Google. Right now open Google Assistant and select Hey Google. As you can see right now, all we have to do is just to activate the Hey Google on our smartphone. So we have to click more, click I agree, and we have to say Hey Google phrases for a few times, and we will get this kind of the animation. So now in my case, I already did it. And now if I say Hey Google, okay, it's not working. Let's try again. Hey Google. Still it doesn't work on my phone, on the watch. So let's try again. Of course, we are not wanna do this. So we have to go for the settings. Let's see what is the issue. Okay, it looks like that I just turned it on. But maybe I just turned it off from the applications. So we have to go here, Digital Assistant application, and I have to actually turn on this Google Assistant probably right here. And now it should start working. So let's try. Hey Google. Yeah, as you can see right now, it works. So if you have the same issue, you have to be sure that you have the default application set for your Google Assistant. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.